So this light, I put it in when the floor was open upstairs. There's a big beam here, yeah. So while the floor was taking up, I put this cable. I wasn't sure what she was going to do in the future, but I put the cables in at that stage. Now we can finalize what's going to happen. So we're going to have the socket here, and this one needs to be re-threaded somehow and go back. With the light bulb. It's got power. So this is the light, yeah? This looks like the light here. Switch it off. I put it in the right one. Yeah, I did, didn't it? Alright, so this is the light, yeah? That's that one.
Let me explain how the PIR sensor light works. To connect a PIR sensor light, first turn off the power supply for safety. Connect the VCC plus pin of the sensor to the positive terminal of the power supply and the GND minus pin to the negative terminal. Then, connect the load output pin of the sensor to the positive terminal of the light and the light's negative terminal to the negative terminal of the power supply. Mount the PIR sensor at a height 2 to 3 meters with an unobstructed view and install the light fixture where desired. The sensor is connected to a power supply and the light. The power supply keeps both the sensor and light running. When motion is detected, the sensor sends a signal to the light, turning it on. Once the motion stops, the light turns off. The PIR sensor detects infrared radiation, like heat from a human body. When someone passes in front of it, the sensor senses the change in radiation and sends a signal to turn on the light. This system is energy efficient because the light only turns on when needed.
It's this way, yeah. the sensor. Something like this. There's the yellow, see the yellow right there. That's it. We're gonna go and hold tight, and then the one who's gonna hold tight. All right. We're gonna plaster and a decorator in one. Make sure it works. Okay. So we've got a sensor PIR light here. This will just be for when the new cupboard is built, and there's going to be a store cupboard with brooms and things here. So this one will be on the PIR. This will be the original porch light that was there before. And we've completed another lovely job, and we've got a lovely happy customer. Stay tuned and watch what happens next.